Chris is on a belter here. First fish of the day. Struggling to get this one in. Oh, terrible. Grab the trace if anything. Same lure as earlier?
Aye.
Uh-oh, that's going to snap round you. Chris with his PV. Oh, here it's a hog, mate. Mind hold it right. Make sure that drag's loose enough in it. It'll whip your rod right at your hand.
Can't even grab it, mate.
I'm telling you, it's fucking it's scary as fuck.
That's bigger than the one this morning, like.
Aye.
Aye.
What's it done to the lure, man?
That's what it's.
Oh right, aye, it's came out.
Right.
That's a fucking good fish. Fish of the week, Chris.
I'm gonna lose it, like.
Nah, just take your time. It's a 3-minute long video so far. No rush, but.
No, as if it just landed on the bank.
Nah, no.
Take it on the boat.
It's on the boat, baby. Landed.
Jesus.
That's a pig, mate. Do you want to weigh that?
I'm not got scales on it.
I don't either. Don't think. Good check.
Right.
Good fish, Chris. Yes.
That's bigger than the one this morning.
Belter of a fish, man.
Finally, that was a bit of a mad wrestle, like, but you got the rod.
Oh, yeah. Wait now. Right, there we go. Send it him out. A class fish. Oh, it's fucking. This phone's fucking up.
Right. Come on then.
They didn't take it very well at this time of year when the water's warm. Great success.
I'm talking.
We'll get down there and we'll